how to delete your social security online account. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply get into ssa.gov and then make sure that you are logged into your account. You can simply tap on sign in right here and then use all of the credentials, or you can log in via your login.gov or id.me. Simply choose one of the option and log in like that, right? So after doing that, you can now access the account settings. After successfully logging in, you can navigate to security settings on the associated login provider. Then you can, since SSA relies on login.gov or id.me, you'll need to go to the respective provider's profile management page and select the delete account. Basically delete the provider profile, and then from there you can simply contact the SSA, call the security support at their number. You'll be able to find their number online very easily in order to ensure digital profile access is completely revoked if necessary. So yeah, that is it. After doing all of this, I'm pretty sure you'll actually be able to delete your social security online account.